Hello and welcome to whatever video this is in my series. Today we will be learning about group chat, and then the next video I will be recording will be about permissions and a configuration file. So let's get started. So you're going to need to add quite a few callbacks in order to get this to work. So let's go up to our main, or Steam login is where it is, and create several callbacks under the names of chat invite callback, chat enter callback, and chat message callback. So let's get those done really quick. So we're going to need a new callback, Steam Friends, dot chat invite callback, on chat invite, which we haven't created yet. So this callback will allow our bot to join any chat that allows. This callback will allow the bot to respond to any chat requests for group invitations. So if it gets invited to a group chat, it will automatically join. So that's what we're going to do right now. I just have to respond to this real quick. So go down here and create your on-chat message callback. Or not on-chat message, on-chat invite. So what you're going to do is Steam Friends, dot join chat callback dot chat room ID. So this is pretty obvious. This tells it to join the chat with the specified group Steam ID, which we have acquired through this invite. Now, if you want to know what's going on, you might do something like this. Console.writeLine has been invited to callback.chatroomName group chat. So this is not vital to the bot's functioning. This is just to let you know, or anyone else who uses the bot to know, that our bot has been invited to this group chat. And if you want to be a little bit more fancy, you can do something like this. Callback.chatroomID. This will just put the chat room's Steam ID in parentheses. Again, not important, but it makes it look fancy. So now we've been invited to join a chat. What do we do once we join the chat? This is where the on-chat enter callback comes from. So new callback, Steam Friends dot on-chat or chat enter callback. On chat enter, which we haven't created yet. This callback is fired whenever the bot joins a chat. This is where you can put like, hello, I am a bot. It's not important whatsoever. It's just why not, really. Steam Friends dot chat enter callback. Then Steam Friends dot send chat room message. If you do just a regular send chat message, the group chat will not receive it. Callback dot chat room ID, chat ID. As you can see, gets the Steam ID of the chat room. Chat entry type dot chat message. Nothing really here will do anything other than chat message, so just really don't even bother with it. Then just say, hi, I am a robot. So whenever the bot joins a new chat room, it will say this message. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what if we want to interact on those messages like we've done in the onChat message callback? Well, that's simple. We create the onGroup message callback. So new callback on Steam Friends dot chat message callback. So this might get a little confusing here. You've got the friend message callback, and then you've got the chat message callback. Friend message is related to private messages. This is related to group messages. I don't know why it's called a chat message callback. It should be called a group chat message callback in my opinion, but I'm not the one who wrote the API. So, on group message, which again, we have not created yet. So go back down there. Create the static void on group message. Steam Friends dot chat message callback. So in order to save a lot of time for you and for me, we can just copy everything from the onChat message callback. Let's go all the way to the bottom here. And copy. And then paste. Now the first thing you're going to notice is there are quite a few errors already. For one, this no longer exists, so we're going to have to rename it to chat message type instead of chat entry type. It's the same thing as chat entry type, but for group chat. I have no idea, again, why it's named something different. So then you're going to notice, oh no, callback.sender doesn't exist anymore. Well, that's not a problem, because we can now do this. Callback.chatter ID. This gets the Steam ID, much like callback.sender, of the person who spoke the message that we're looking at right now. So, you're like, okay, so I don't want to have to copy and paste this all the way around here. Well, I recently discovered a rather neat feature in the find function. So you're going to want to select everything except for over here, because this gets a little fancy, and do something like this. Select all that, then Control F, then callback.sender. Then you're going to want to, so as you can see, it's only searching within this area. Now what you're going to want to do is click this arrow. Ignore that. This is going to replace this with this. So as I've already shown you, it's now called callback.chatter ID. So we'll just do this, callback.chatter ID. And then you're going to click this button, which places all of them in the selected text. That is a lot of occurrences, and I have a feeling it might not have done what we wanted it to. Sorry about that. It looks like there was a bit of an issue a second ago, where apparently it did not search the selected text, but it should for you. So just to reiterate, select this, Control F, button, callback.sender, callback.chatter ID, and then hit replace all. Make sure you have this text selected, otherwise it will also replace everything in your onChat message callback, and you don't want that to happen. Again, this was part of the accident, so just pretend this used to be a sender, which is going to be wrong, but that's important. So, if the bot were to see a response, and this were to be callback.chatter ID, it would send its chat response to the person who spoke rather than the group chat. So you're going to want to change this to send group chat message, and then, or not send group chat message, send send chat room message, my bad. send chat room message. And then you want to change this. Instead of callback.chatterID, you want it to be chatroom ID. This way it will send the message to the chat. So I'm going to demonstrate this really quick. Just let me open up a group chat. As you can see, I am now in a chat room. So we're going to launch the bot. Alright, so now, as you can see, Foxbot is now online, and I'm going to invite him to the chat. It's been invited, he joined, and he said what we wanted him to say. So now let's test one of our chat things that we had. I think one of them was ABC. So you can see, the bot now responds with 1, 2, 3. Let me showcase what would happen if we were to have done send chat message to our callback.chatterID. There we go. So the bot's back online. Gonna invite him to the chat again. He's back. So ABC. Uh-oh. So that is why send chat room message and callback.chatroom ID is important. So a lot of you who have added me and had questions, one of the most common ones was, how do I have multiple admins? That comes in the next video along with the configuration file, because the configuration file is where you're going to place all of the administrators. So that about wraps it up for today. That's group chat. I'm sorry I haven't been around lately. I mean, college work, but no small degree of laziness as well. So there you go. That's everything. Like, comment, subscribe. If you'd like to donate, I will have my PayPal link below. That it has no bearing on whether or not I continue my videos. It's just if you want to show your support. So comment, like, subscribe, donate if you want. Thank you so much for watching.